Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech, myself Karthik Ponnusamy. In our previous video, we have seen about what are nested classes in Java and what are its types. So in this video, we are going to look at what are static nested classes in Java. So if you guys look into the word static nested classes, so when we understand what are nested classes, then what is a static nested class? So it's a subtype of nested classes. So there should be some difference in that, right? Let's get deeper into this. But before we get deeper into static nested class, if you guys want to understand what are nested classes, so the previous video link has been shared in the top right hand side of this particular video. You guys can go and watch that, and you guys can come back to this video to understand in and out of static nested classes. So basically, I have a class called public class outer demo. So here I have a main method wherein I am creating an object of this particular class, and I'm trying to print the value of this variable x. Let me go and execute it. It is a very simple plain Java, right? So where I'm able to print the value of x as 10. Now when I say nested classes, so nested class are nothing but a class inside a class. So I'm going to create a class which is inside this particular class. Okay, so the way how I can create is with the class keyword and the class name, right? So let's say static nested class. Okay, this is the class name I want to use it. So this is the class I defined inside this particular class, right? So when I say this is the class which is called nested class, so how is it different from the static class, right? So if I use the keyword static, then that inner class, that nested class, becomes a static nested class. Okay, let me see this one. Yeah, this is fine. So let me define a variable int y is equal to 20. Okay, so now I have defined a static nested class inside this class, right? So now we should understand how we can able to create object for this static nested class, right? So in general, when we want to create an object of the nested class, we have to first create an object of the outer class, and then only using that outer class object only we can able to get this. But since it is static, we can directly use the class name, right? So the way how I can create an object for this particular static nested class is that, so since it is static, I can directly use the class name. So basically I can copy this outer demo dot, then this particular static nested class. Let's say I want to name the object reference name as snc, which is static nested class, is equal to first I have to create an object with this one. So new object dot nested class of, right? So here I'm directly using it. I'm just creating an object, right? Not like object for all the both the classes, right? So here when I say system.out.println, system.out.println, right? So here I'm going to print snc.y, right? So let us go and execute this program. Here you go, we can able to access the variable inside the static nested class. So this is how the static nested class works. So basically, whenever I am writing a class inside a class, that is called nested class, and if I denote this particular nested class with a keyword static, then that becomes a static nested class. And in order to obtain the object of this particular static nested class, I can directly use the class name, because this is at since it is static, it is at the class level. So this is the how way I can able to create and access the variables within the static nested class. I hope you guys understand this concept. This is very simple, and if you guys have any questions regarding this video, please post your comments in the comment section, and the coding will be, the source code will be shared in the demo, description of the video. So please go ahead and copy it and put it in your Eclipse and try to play around on this particular code, and let's see how it goes. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and also share it with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel and click the notification button as well. I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Thanks for learning. Bye bye.